sila ito, ma'am. Sa'yo ba? O ibibigay mo? Ibibigay. Sige, hawakan nyo na po ang box. Halita and Joan ang nanalo ng Samsung Tablet IC.
Beauties, and of course, the partnership with the Department of Migrant Workers. Please welcome our host for this segment, Miss Cebu Universe 2023, Miss Chris Tiffany Hanson, and our very own Miss DMW, Attorney Jasmine Angapatan.
Hello, mayong buntag kanyang tanan. Kinsa may mga Bisaya diri. Hello.
You know, it was always a celebration, and I'm just wondering, you know, when mom comes home, what is like the first thing that you will do together? Because I know it will be a really, really nice feeling to be finally together again.
The Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, is the exclusive home of overseas Filipino workers in Philippine government. Ito ang tahanan ng OFW sa kanilang pamilya sa gobyerno natin. The DMW is tasked to protect the rights of Filipino migrant workers and promote their welfare.
Miss Universe Philippines, love for all, love for migrant workers. To deliver his message of support for Miss Universe Philippines advocacy for love of migrant workers. With a wealth of experience and leadership, he is instrumental in championing the welfare of our overseas Filipino workers. He is now the DMW Secretary. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to our beloved Secretary, Hans Leo J. Kakda.
Thank you, Director Jazz. Gandang araw po muli sa inyo. Happy Migrant Workers Day po sa lahat. Pwede ba po natin sabihin, Happy Migrant Workers Day?
Happy Migrant Workers Day!
Our honored guests, former Dole Secretary Marianito Roque, our mentor, sir. Kapal po natin sa Secretary. Meron din kami Metal Yones. Chelsea Manalo, Miss Universe Philippines, and her entourage, namitawag ba nun? The Queens, Miss Philippines. Of course, this partnership is not just a collaboration. It is a pledge to better the lives of our OFWs and their families. OFWs, daughters and sons, I have to say that, through meaningful programs and advocacies. Our beauty in terms of physicality and substance, and those can be translated in the spirit of the Filipino people. They see mothers who are pleased in the eyes of their children, women who lead with compassion, and individuals who advocate for possible change. This partnership is a commitment to building a...
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now get to know Chelsea, our Miss Universe Philippines representative, and of course, the Miss Philippines Queens. A big round of applause, please. Alright, now may we call on the Miss Philippines Supranational 2025, Tara May Valencia from Baguio. Supranational 2025, Miss Tara Valencia. Also here with us and to give a few words, Miss Alexi Rose.
I just want to say thank you all so much for your support. On my journey to Miss Universe Philippines, a lot of my supporters are really overseas Filipino workers, and I think that I wouldn't be where I am right now without them. So maraming salamat. Thank you all so much.
Our next speaker is Miss Philippines Charm 2025, Cyril Payumo of Pampanga. Do you have any words for our migrant workers today?
Hello everyone! Maya payabakan po kaya kayo nga. Hindi po makabalantyan. I'm so happy to see all of you everyone, and I'm just so grateful to be here, and I'm so excited to work with the DMW and happy migrant workers today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Char. And now, let us welcome Miss Philippines Cosmo International 2024 at Tisa Manalo of Quezon Province.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Magandang umaga po sa mga pamilya ng mga migrant workers na nandito ngayon. Sa mga OFW po natin kung nasaan man kayo. Hopefully po itong show na hinanda ng Department of Migrant Workers ay magpasaya at maramdaman nyo na kahit pa paano connected pa rin kayo sa Pilipinas. At yun na po, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Our Miss Supranational has a few words para sa mga kababayan niya from Baguio. So, yes, Tara will give a few words para sa mga kababayan niya from Baguio, and of course, ating mga overseas Filipino workers who are here with us today also.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko po pasalamatan Department of Migrant Workers sa pag-anyaya nyo sa amin ngayong araw. Isa pong karangalan, papalit ko ngayon at makapabigay ng saloobin tungkol sa ating mga migrant workers. Pangalawa, mabuhay po sa lahat ng ating mga migrant workers. I know that seeking for greener pastures and leaving your family is not that easy. I know that these migrant workers have sacrificed so much for their family, including your quality time, for a better quality of life, for the people that you guys leave at home.
Thank you so much, Tara. Mabuhay tayong lahat. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them another big warm round of applause. And it is now time for us to hear a few words from our Miss Universe Philippines Queen, Miss Shelty Manalo. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga OFWs at sa lahat ng pamilya, mga kaibigan, mga sumusuporta, and of course, to our officials, to Ms. Leah, to the MUPH, maraming salamat for giving us this opportunity to finally be here embracing everyone. Makapagpasalamat po kami, hindi po para ito sa amin, pero para po ito sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Alam ko, our victory is not just for us, but we are sharing it to everyone so that we can somehow be an influence to a lot of people, to give voice and influence and hope. We are here most importantly to give hope to everyone here right now. We are very honored to give and share more of our partnership with the Department of Migrant Workers. I know that our migrant workers are actually our unsung heroes that we need to give importance to so that we can share or we can give importance to them while they are abroad, to their family, to their friends. So I would just love to also highlight who are sitting here right now, sharing this moment and morning with us. Maraming salamat po. I
I am immensely happy and honored that I am here with my co-queens also to grace and continue the partnership that we have for the migrant workers. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Again, maraming salamat sa ating magagandang queens who are here with us to celebrate our Migrant Workers Day. Another big round of applause, please.
Maraming salamat, Attorney Jazz. Isang masaya, mapagpala, at maalam na Migrant Workers Day.